Hi! In front of me is Lenovo TAB M10 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock on this tablet. Firstly, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and click on Security section. Then tap on Face Recognition and enter your current login method. Finally, read the disclaimer and click on Enable Rise to Wake to disable or enable this feature. When you're ready, select Continue. Finally, keep your face in frame and follow all of those instructions. Now select one of those options, and when you're ready, click on Home button. So now when I switch off my screen and then switch it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. In order to delete your face data, you need to access Settings again. Then choose Security, tap on Face Recognition, and tap on Delete Facial Data. Lastly, confirm your choice by entering your pattern and choosing OK in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!